Hey everyone, welcome to my cookbook. I always imagine if I have a restaurant, this would be my signature dish. So let's make this easy peasy chicken pulao. First take 2 cups of basmati rice. This is enough for 3 to 4 people. Clean the basmati rice with water and then soak it for 30 minutes. Now take around 700 grams of chicken, add 3 spoons of curd to it. Add some spices including turmeric powder, salt, biryani masala and red chili powder. The quantity is mentioned in the captions below. Mix and marinate for 30 minutes. For preparing pulao, we need deep vessel like this. Once it is heated enough, add oil to it. I have added around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil here. Now add 1 thin sliced onion. We are making barista, that is fried onion here. We are going to add barista to pulao at the final stage. Once onion turns golden, take it out in a plate. Now add all the mentioned whole spices. Stir fry the spices in oil until they splutter. Now add 2 vertically chopped onions. Saute onions at least for 2 minutes until they turn softer. Add 3 to 4 green chilies. 2 tablespoons of grated or crushed ginger and garlic. Once the rawness of garlic is gone, add tomato. Here I have added 1 chopped tomato. Cook this for 2 minutes until tomato turns softer. Then add marinated chicken. Mix all ingredients and masala well with chicken. Now before adding water, we will cook chicken by covering it with the lid. Believe me, this way chicken pulao will taste way more better. This will take around 15 minutes and after that we will add water. For 2 cups of rice, we will add 4 cups of water. Now after adding water, we will cook it for 5 minutes again. This way our chicken will be 90% cooked so that it will remain tender in the pulao. You can see the result. Now add soaked rice. After adding rice, you need to be careful while stirring. You need to stir gently so that rice will not be broken. To make this pulao more flavorful, add mint leaves, coriander leaves, ghee, and also adjust the salt as per your taste. At the final stage, we will add the barista which we have prepared in the beginning. Now again stir gently and mix it well. This aroma is just fabulous. Cover the vessel with lid and cook this for 15 to 20 minutes on low to medium flame. And finally, chicken pulao is ready. I bet if you ever try this recipe, you are not going to be disappointed. If you liked this video and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and thank you for watching.